not bad.
What other songs do you know? How about
Mickey Mouse.
what?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. Do you know M-I-C? See you real soon. K-E.
Katie.
What?
Katie. That Katie.
Oh, that's Katie.
Gentle, please.
How about Baba Black Sheep? The guitar is really heavy. Let's just leave it down there. You don't want to drop it.
Oh, I'm going to go grab my coffee.
Could you bring me mine when you come back?
So what are you guys doing?
I don't know. Maybe go to the park. Good job. You guys are rock stars.
Rocking out.
You're all done?
Juice? I think so. Whichever one's yours.